What's up, y'all? It's Isaiah here, UNC Student Affairs, and y'all know it's Black History Month. So in honor of that, today we're going to play a game of trivia. We're going to get some students, ask them each questions worth 5 points each, and the person with the most points is going to get a prize. Let's see who knows their Black history. Let's go. Who are you here with today?
Hussein.
Ruby.
Will Walker III.
Corey.
Isaiah.
Jordan.
Roman.
All right, I got a couple questions for y'all. First question. Who was the woman who was arrested for refusing to give up her seat on the bus before Rosa Parks?
Oh,
Nah,
or Rosa Parks.
You know it?
No, that was my dog. I just forgot her name, bro.
All right, any of y'all know her last name or not? All right, we got 5 points over here. Next question. Finish the sentence. Injustice everywhere is a threat to...
Justice anywhere.
I like that. Extra points if you could tell me where that's from.
The Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
5 points right here. Extra points if you could tell me where it's from. All right, we got little freebie points over here.
Shit.
True. Finish the sentence. Injustice anywhere is a threat to... Five more points over here. All right. Bonus points if you can tell me where that's from.
I know. Wait.
Wait, oh my God, it was when he was in jail. I don't know what it's called, but he was in prison.
He was in prison. It was long. Yep. Extra points over here. Next question. What Black musician has the most Grammy nominations and Grammy wins? Michael Jackson, Prince, Beyonce, or Lauryn Hill? 5 points right here. Beyonce is the answer.
Oh my God.
5 points. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Which school at Carolina first admitted Black students? The College of Arts and Sciences, the School of Law, or the School of Journalism and Media? 5 points right here. School of Law is the correct answer.
The public health school.
Nah.
Law Street.
Pharmacy.
True.
Yeah.
Nope. True. 5 points right here. Who was Sonia Haynes Stone, for whom the Stone Center is named? A doctor who graduated from Carolina, an NC lawyer, the associate professor and curriculum director of African American Studies, or the first Black editor-in-chief of the Daily Tar Heel?
Can I say C? I'm not writing all that.
You got it. Right answer, C. Five points right here. Any words for the winner?
Black history is everybody's history. And yeah.
True.
Shout out Black History Month. Shout out to Black UNC. And shout out to my brothers and sisters across the world. Love.
Happy Black History Month.
Happy Black History Month, y'all.